The Canary. There was a boy called Somu, and his father, on the birthday of Somu, gave him one gift. Okay, like your father gave your birthday gift on your birthday. So Somu's father gave him a birthday gift that is a bird, yellow canary bird. Okay, Somu was very happy seeing the bird. He used to clean the cage regularly. He put the bird inside the cage and he was very caring towards the bird. He used to feed the bird also. The bird was very happy. Okay, being happy, the bird used to sing beautiful melodious song in front of everybody. When Samu's friends came to Somu's home, Somu was very happy to see his bird singing in front of everybody. Okay, so bird sing song, tweet tweet, and other birds were very jealous of the fate of the bird. That bird was very happy inside cage, other birds were jealous. In the meantime, one thing happened. Somu became fed up with the bird, and Somu lost his interest in the bird. And Somu did not care the bird anymore. He was busy playing with his toy gun. All the day he played his toy gun and he forgot the bird. The bird, you know what happened to bird then? The bird was crying and it was very hungry, thirsty. Nobody looked after her. So the bird was very sad and regularly bird cried, could not sing. The bird was thirsty, could not sing. Nobody gave her water. Okay, very bad condition for the bird. A sparrow came and was very sad, became very sad seeing the wretched condition of the bird, and he wished to give water but could not. Okay, and the bird was lying half dead in thirst and hunger inside the cage. No longer it sang. Somu's mother was surprised because she didn't hear the song of the bird for a long time. And she went to see the bird and saw the bird was lying and became surprised, took the bird up and fed the bird, saved the life of the bird. The bird, after getting food and water, get back into spirit and again became happy, sang merrily. And Somu also understood his fault mistake. अब ये स्टोरी को हिंदी में समझाते हैं। सोमू को उनका बर्थडे में एक बर्ड मिला गिफ्ट में, येलो कलर का कैनरी बर्ड उसके पापा से। और सोमू को ये बर्ड मिलने से सोमू बहुत खुश था और सोमू उसको क्या किया, एक केज के अंदर डाल दिया। तो केज को हर रोज पूछा लगाता था और सोमू उसको खाना भी खिलाता था। तो बर्ड बहुत खुश था। बर्ड हैप्पी होकर गाना भी गाते थे और उसके बाद सोमू का फ्रेंड जब आते थे तो बर्ड गाना गाते थे। लेकिन इसमें क्या हुआ, दूसरा जो बर्ड था वो बहुत उसका जलन था, जेलस था वो लोग। तो सोमू क्या हुआ एक दिन कि उसका इंटरेस्ट खो गया बर्ड के ऊपर। तो इंटरेस्ट नहीं होने से बर्ड को केयर नहीं किया, बर्ड को खाना भी नहीं मिला, थर्स्टी था। बर्ड बाहर निकलने की कोशिश भी किया, नहीं निकल पाए। एक स्पैरो देखा तो उसके ऊपर दया आया, तो बोलने लगा कि तुम को हम पानी देना चाहते हैं लेकिन कैसे दूँ? क्योंकि वो स्पैरो भी तो एक बर्ड थे, तो खाना तो दे नहीं पाए। तो वो क्या किए, बर्ड को ना भूखा रहने पड़े और बहुत कष्ट उठाने पड़े अंदर ही, तो मरने का नौबत आ गया। तो इसी टाइम सोमू को मम्मी देख लिया ये बर्ड को कि बहुत दिन से गाना नहीं गा रहे, तो सोमू का मम्मी उसको उठाया और उठा के इसको खाना खिलाए, पानी दिए, और सोमू को डांट भी पड़ा, बहुत डांटे, लेकिन सोमू को ये महसूस हुआ कि ये ठीक नहीं किया। तो ऐसी स्टोरी खत्म हो गई।